Hey there, business enthusiasts. Today, we're teaming up with O2B Technologies to explore how Odoo can revolutionize your supply chain management and take your business to new heights. In the fast-paced world of business, staying ahead means mastering your supply chain. That's where Odoo, the ultimate ERP platform, comes in. And when you partner with O2B Technologies, the best Odoo partner around, you're tapping into expertise that takes your operations from good to exceptional. Odoo's supply chain module, supercharged by O2B Technologies, becomes your ultimate ally. It's not just about managing inventory or processing orders. It's about seamless integration across your entire business, ensuring every department works in perfect sync. O2B Technologies doesn't just deliver solutions, they deliver results. With their deep understanding of Odoo and unparalleled support, you're not just implementing software, you're unlocking a tailored solution that fits your business like a glove. Together, Odoo and O2B Technologies empower you with real-time insights, advanced automation, and customizable features that adapt as your business evolves. It's like having a high-performance engine under the hood, propelling you towards success. Join us as we uncover the secrets to efficient supply chain management with Odoo and O2B Technologies. Get ready for expert tips, success stories, and actionable strategies that will transform how you do business. Don't miss out on this opportunity to optimize your operations and scale your business with the best Odoo partner by your side. For more info on Odoo, visit our website, www.o2btechnologies.com, or contact us info@o2btechnologies.com. O2B, a certified partner to Odoo. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment and share.